In this video, I'm going to show you how to expose a local Kubernetes app using a NodePort service with Minikube. You'll be able to run a real NGINX pod and access it in your browser, all in under 3 minutes. First, let's clean up anything left over from previous runs. Next, we'll start a fresh Minikube cluster. Now let's deploy an NGINX pod using a simple deployment. Now we expose that deployment as a NodePort service on port 80. Minikube gives us an easy way to get that service URL. You can just copy the full URL and paste into a web browser. And that's it. You just exposed a local Kubernetes app using a NodePort. Subscribe for more bite-sized Kubernetes demos like this.